located inside my body. My mind is not capable of answering the questions of my troubles. What am I going through? I am lost with no end in sight. This is going to kill me. Don't let it kill me. I'm shouting for help, but no one ever finds me. I am here, alone, in the world, exploding with population. Not one person capable of picking me up from the dirt. I am here, alone, shouting, not one person being able to hear me. Don't let this kill me. I am dying. Don't let it kill me.